Marketers often proclaim that you need to reply to the question why. It's not always the case because customers don't care about the question why. They want to know how your products can help to decide their problems, improve their lives, simplify all stuff that they have every day. It's better to reply to this question. If you don't know how to find questions that people might ask, go to many websites, keyword research tools. For example, Answer the Public. You can type your keyword and the question how. Use many other tools. For example, Ubersuggest, Ahrefs, SEMrush, and find what your customers might ask. The second way, when you know what your customers ask, share your story because customers don't buy products, they buy benefits, and learn your stories and think how they can provide the same. For example, when BMW shares a new car, BMW doesn't highlight many features, only sharing some great videos with a new car, with models, and people can feel that they drive this car. When Apple provides a new product, and Tim Cook usually highlights stories how these products can help others because many websites share some features, but you need to think other products might have the same features. It's better to share your story and reply to the question how your products can help others, because 75% of all our decisions are emotion and only 25% of them are logic. It's better to think or open any keywords that are related to your niche, find the questions how, and many blog posts provide these answers, but you need to think how you can use the same in your products when you sell, and think how your products can help better than your competitors. What is your unique selling proposition? How you can satisfy the intent? How you can decide problems? How you can improve lives? For example, I like Apple products. Some of my friends like Android. It's up to you, but when you sell your products, you need to analyze competitors to find unique selling proposition. Think about your strengths, weaknesses, threats that you might find, and combine them with your unique selling proposition. Because if you have no your unique selling proposition, it's hard to go ahead. Because you need to pay attention with your buying persona. How you can create your buying persona? Just analyze from your previous sales, or use the average online studies where you can find what is your audience. You can use some paid marketing to analyze there, because paid marketers use a lot to create buying persona. They can't compete with broad persona to get more clicks and don't sell products. Just search for your buyer persona and think how you can improve their lives better than your competitors, and reply to the question how you can help others to be great. I often see when brands are selfish, they highlight we have great products, but nobody cares about how you are great. It's better to think how you can help and support others. Why people need to replace their hard-earned money with your products? Customers usually buy when they feel that their money costs less than your products. That means you need to provide this reason. And for example, when I try to sell, I usually analyze my competitors. For example, I sell digital marketing services, and I see, okay, my competitors can spend 15 minutes with a free call, to explain explain about products, okay, then I can do it for 30 minutes, for 45 minutes. And the longer your presentation, the more chance that you will sell your products. For example, when people spend more time on your website or watching your videos, that means you can increase the chance of selling your products. When Josh Sugarman wrote his awesome books about marketing, how you can retain your customers, he told a lot about such things that you need to give a reason to read the whole text, articles, and consume the whole content. If you can do it, you can win your customers as well. Okay, guys, let me know what you think. Comment below, ask me any questions in the comment sections. I will reply to all of them, and think how you can help your customers, how you can decide their problems, how you can simplify their lives. Okay, guys, see you.